Hi students and welcome. This is the lesson number 2 and remember we are checking the topic that is and we agree with others at travel itinerary. So this is the lesson number 2 and to can start with the class we are going to listen an audio and then you have to look six pictures. You have to look six pictures and decide the order of the places that they want to visit according to their itinerary. Okay, you are going to listen an itinerary and then you are going to order the next seven places and order it. Ok, vamos a escuchar un pequeño audio y después ustedes van a tener que ordenar las siguientes siete imágenes en orden según ustedes escuchaban en el audio, ¿ok? Ok. Okay, students, for the next part, you are going to listen again an audio. This is a telephone conversation about two people, and then you have to complete the notes. In your worksheet, you have a space with some notes like place, get your by, open up, close at, the true last, and tickets cost. Okay, en esa parte van a escuchar una conversación de teléfono en la cual dos personas están pidiendo informes sobre un destino de viaje. Y en esas notas mencionan a qué lugar van a ir, cómo van a llegar ahí, a qué horas abren y cierran. Conforme vayan escuchando el audio, van a contestar esas notas, ¿ok?
Track 50.
Buenos días, Parque Nacional Cacahuamilpa. Le atiende Andrés Ramírez.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Sure. How can I help you?
My name is John Smith. I'm calling from Mexico City. I'm planning to go to the caves with some friends. Could you answer some questions for me, please?
Of course. What would you like to know?
What is the best way to get there?
You can get here by car or by bus. It's about 2.5 hours from Mexico City.
What time do you open on Friday?
We open at 10 a.m. every day, and we close at 5 p.m.
So, we should leave around 7:30 to be there at opening time. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Do you think we should hire a guide or can we go by ourselves? I mean, is a formal tour really necessary?
You can go through the caves by yourselves. However, I suggest you hire a guide. Only guides can turn on the lights, and they can tell you lots of interesting stories about the caves. How many people are going with you?
5.
Okay, you could hire a guide for only 200 pesos.
That's quite reasonable. How long does the tour last?
About 2 hours.
One more question. How much do the tickets cost?
They're 60 pesos per person. If you have more questions, you can go to our website.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ramirez.
You're welcome.
Okay, for the next part, listen. You are going to listen a young conversation. This conversation is talking with his friends, and then you have to complete the sentences with the following linky words or phrases. Van a escuchar una pequeña conversación de John con sus amigos y van a tener que completar esas oraciones con las siguientes frases, que es although, and, so, but, this mean that, because. Then you have a mind map, tiene un mapa mental en la cual ustedes van a tener que ordenar las palabras dependiendo qué son, si son para agregar información, dar una razón, contrastar ideas o dar un resultado, ¿ok?
Track 51.
Hi guys, I've talked to the people from Cacahuamilpa. There are several things I want to tell you. First of all, the caves open at 10 a.m., so we should leave early if we want to be there in good time.
Around 6 a.m.?
Maybe not at 6, but no later than 7. Next thing, Although we would have to pay 200 pesos extra, I think we should hire a guide. They will turn the lights on inside the caves for us and will give us lots of interesting information.
Do we have to pay an entrance fee too?
Yes, 60 pesos.
I think it's worth it. Can we take photos inside the caves?
Yes, we can and we should. It's our summer vacation.
What about exploring?
Well, the caves are enormous and it's easy to get lost. This means that we must stay together all the time.
And what about clothes?
We should wear light clothes because it's very warm in the caves. I would say shorts and t-shirts.
And swimsuits. Remember, there are 2 underground rivers.
We'll see about that later. But you definitely need to wear good walking shoes because it's slippery and easy to fall down.
I think we have all the information we need.
We still have a few days before the trip, so if we have further questions, we can discuss them.
Okay, finally we have 6 pictures with different emotions or face expressions. Tenemos 6 imágenes diferentes con expresiones faciales o emociones. Cada expresión representa una expresión, ¿ok? O un gesto. For example, we have in the first picture un joven como que está así. In that, we have 2 options. I have a question and let me think about it. En el primer ejemplo tenemos que ahí es let me think about it because he is thinking, él está pensando. Ok, ustedes van a tener que mirar las imágenes y después subrayar de las 2 opciones lo que creen que significa cada imagen, dependiendo de las opciones que tengan ahí. Ok, y después, para poder corregirlo, vamos a escuchar un audio para poder checarlo, ¿ok? Después de eso, tenemos 6 oraciones, 6 statements, de las cuales ustedes van a usar las pasadas expresiones y van a completar las pequeñas oraciones o oraciones que están ahí abajo, ¿ok?
2. 1.
Let me think about it.
2. I agree. 3.
I have a question.
4.
I disagree.
5.
I have an idea.
6.
I have no idea.
Track 54.